Hello students, I am Balamurugan, Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Kalasalingam Academy of Research and Education. In this experiment, we are going to see about how to create a 3D model of a prism and a pyramid using Onshape. Also, how to convert that solid model into a sheet metal pattern. Let's move on to the experiment. Click on Create, select the document and rename the document as Development. Give Create. Now let's select the top plane and give the sketch. View normal to the sketch. And simultaneously I am going to create the two profiles of the pyramid as well as prism. So let me select the polygon as inscribed polygon. So here let me select it. And the side, let me give it as 6. If you are not able to select it properly, first you can select and then double click on it to edit that one. Then give the dimension as 30 mm. So in order to freeze the position, let's provide the dimension as 40. One more polygon I am going to draw. This is for the pyramid. So in this one, I am going to create a pentagonal pyramid. So in this, let me give the dimension of this. So let me give the side as same 30 mm and the center, let me try to provide so that we can able to create the full constraint. So now we have created the base polygon. Now let us try to create a new plane for creating the loft. So select the top plane and give the plane icon. Give the offset distance equivalent to the height. So I'm going to give the height of the solid as 100 mm. So let me select the offset distance as 100 and confirm it. Select this plane and create a sketch. So what is the purpose of the sketch is to create a point so that we can able to make the pyramid of the apex on that particular point. So let me make a point over here. Let me provide the dimension for the point as same what we have provided in the previous sketch, that is 40 mm. Let's confirm the sketch. Now we have created two profiles. Let us try to create the solid from it. So first one is extrude. I'm going to make a new solid. So from surface, select the option as solid. Click on this one. So I want to extrude to a height of 100 mm. So either you can give 100 mm here or you can use the option up to the face or part. So let me give directly the blind as 100 mm and give the confirmation. Now I'm going to do the pyramid. I'm going to create the pyramid. So for that, activate the sketch 1 so that that sketch is visible. To create the pyramid, I'm going to use the loft command. So click on the loft and select the base profile and the apex point. Automatically you can able to get a pyramid. Click on the tick mark to confirm it. So here you can see, since I have selected the outer profile, it converted as a surface. but I want it as a solid. So use the inner surface so that it will come as a solid. Convert this, change this option from surface to solid. So here profiles is this and this. Now you can able to get it as a solid instead of surface. Now let's convert these two solids into sheet metal develop. So for doing that, click on this icon, sheet metal model. So here parts are surfaces to convert. So for that, you just select this part as well as this part. So if you just select the two parts, you can see that one, it is converted into individual surfaces. So if you want to see how that surfaces are created, you can click on this sheet metal table and flat view. Click on this so that you can able to get an idea how it is converted. But I want to show you how to bend this particular surface attached together from a single sheet and how to bend it, at what angle we need to bend it. If you want to find it out, just select the edge in which you want to create the weld or a bend. So for that, you just select edges or cylinders to bend. Select all the side edges. So once you click on it, automatically you can see that edges is get attached together and it will form the two faces combined together. So just select all the side edges except one, so that all the side faces get combined together. In this line, we are going to create the bend. And what is the angle of bend is shown over here in the table. Now, let's try to select any one of the top edge and any one of the bottom edge so that the top and bottom faces will be attached together. So now we have created the sheet metal development of the prism. Now let's move on to the pyramid. Just select the side faces, side edges, click on the side edges except one, so that all the side edges are combined together, and one base edge, so that the base will be attached together with it. So now you can able to see how the sheet metal development we can able to make it from a solid. And in this table, we can able to identify what are all the parts we created and at what angle we need to bend it. You can able to find out. For example, if you select this particular bend, so first let us confirm it. Suppose if you select this particular place, automatically it will show you what bend it is going to make, what is the type of bend it is, and what is the angle of bend it is, and how much angle you need to down, either in the direction, the bending direction is downward or upward, all we can able to learn from it. Thank you for watching.